I like these two books because maraming beses hindi natin maintindihan why women or men act the way that they act or think the way that they think. So itong book na to, I am able to understand, hindi talaga pwede na ang lalaki at babae magkapareho ang pagkaintindi sa isang bagay. And in the other Right Side book, authored by Francis Kong, naintindihan ko na ang buhay pala sa paglalakbay mo. What really matters? Ano ba talaga ang nagmamatter sa'yo? Ang nagmamatter ba sa'yo profession, family, the education of your children, of you having temporal things in life, house, cars, travels, jewelries, hindi ko alam. So, at the end of the day pala, mamamatay ka, magkakasakit ka. Sino ba ang mga taong nandyan sa tabi mo nang ikaw ay hindi na pwedeng mag-travel alone or mag-drive alone or nasa end light ka na, twilight zone ang buhay mo. So at the end of the day, what really matters is your family. Alam nyo ba yung pinaka-latest ko na gusto sa nakikita ko sa media is President Donald Trump. I haven't seen in any campaign na kasama ang mga anak at saka mga apo. And it really touches me. Wala na tayong mga leader na kagaya niya that he talks about God by divine intervention. Siya ay tapos sa dalawang assassination niya. So, I think leaders in our time and you as a leader in your life must have first God and family second. In all this, I leave with you na sana mag-comment ka at mag-subscribe and be engaging in my video by commenting. Thank you and great day ahead.